Did you know that you can repurpose, reuse, or repair LED strips? Yes, it is possible and it's quite easy. Now, I don't know if you have ever installed waterproof LED strips only to discover that they stop working after installation. And I know that this can be frustrating, but do not throw them away. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can easily bring back such LED strips back to life. So sometime in the last year, I bought this waterproof undercarriage LED strip and installed it on my bike. I had some leftover pieces, and so I decided to solder them and to put them on the front of my bike to use as daytime running lights. But unfortunately, one of them broke and stopped working. So I'm going to show you exactly how the process works, and as I indicated before, it can be easily done. However, here are some tools that you might need. I'm using a heat gun. You'll need a soldering iron and you'll need soldering wires. Also, to ensure that the repair is waterproof, you will need heat shrink as well. So step one is to remove the damaged LED strip, and in this case I'll use a heat gun to soften the adhesive and to gently peel it off. The next thing I'll have to do is to resolder the wires, and here's what's very important that you need to bear in mind. These wires are polarity sensitive, so you have got to get the connections right in order for the lights to work. And all you have to do is follow these simple steps. Clean the contacts, then you properly solder the joints. And after you're sure that the joints are properly soldered, then you can use the heat shrink tubing to seal it. So here it is, the finished product. Both are now working once again, and it's just as good as the day that I installed it. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, share it with someone who might need it, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to show off your own repair job. And of course, follow me for more useful and practical content just like this.